Hey guys, I've got this Briggs Stratton engine here. It's making a really funny noise when I turn it over and it will not run properly. Now listen carefully, after a few turns it's going to make a click noise. The valve cover is off so you can see the valves going up and down. What I'm going to do is remove the sump cover here, and hopefully I can see from inside here what the actual problem is. Now if you look in the sump cover, there is an obvious problem on one of these gears. This is the gear that drives the governor. And by the way, all these gears are made of plastic. Now if you look inside here, there's a greater obvious problem for sure. Some of the teeth on the camshaft gear are totally stripped off. That's why you heard that click when I turn the engine over. If I turn it this way, you hear a click here. Or at this point it just stopped because the sump cover's off. And that's too bad because this engine is hardly used at all. The snowblower still looks like new. If the gear was made of metal, this would have never happened. And you can see some of the plastic teeth at the bottom of the sump cover here. And here's the camshaft pulled out of the engine. You can clearly see all the teeth that are missing. And even the lobes on the camshaft are made of plastic. And the rest of the parts in there look good. And one of the push rods is bent, so something must have happened at one point to cause this to happen. So it's too bad, guys, that nowadays you find a lot of plastic parts in some engines. This is what ultimately can happen. So if you do have a similar problem with your engine, just take off the sump cover. Sometimes you can find it right away like I did today. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and you can see me in my next video. Have a great day.